5m square plus 22m is equal to 22m plus 15. So let us shift it on a left hand side. So we are going to have 5m square minus 22m minus 15 equal to 0. So let us factorize 5 into 15 minus 15, that is minus 75, in such a way that you get the difference to be minus 22. So 75 को 3 divide by 3 gives you 25. Divide by 3, 5, divide by 5, divide by 5, 5 divide by 5, 1. So 25 3s are 75 and 22. 25 में से 3 गए तो 22. So that way it will be. So I can write down this 22 minus 22 as minus 25 plus 3. See, 25 3s are 75 का और दोनों का difference minus to 22 आया. Right? So this will be minus sign. Sign of greater number will be minus and smaller number will be plus. Right? So this minus 22m can be written as minus 25m plus 3m. Minus 15 equal to 0. So out of this now, once you done with this step, then rest of the things is taken common, which is very easy. So 5 is taken common and m also taken common. So what will be left inside? 5m नहीं सिर्फ m आएगा. m 5m into m is 5m square और माइनस यहाँ पे 25 को 5 से डिवाइड करो 5 आएगा. m तो है ही. So m minus 5. Open the bracket and check it again. When you are taking common na, always check it. And then from the third and the fourth term also 3 common, you will be m minus 5. Once you get this na, ये आपको hint आ ही जाएगा what we should take common. So that is equal to 0. This is the rough work on this side. So m minus 5 into 5m plus 3 equal to 0. So m minus 5 equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 equal to 0. Right? So your m will be equal to, I can write directly 5 will do 0 plus 5. And here minus 3. So you have m equal to 5 or m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. So answer 5 and minus 3 and नहीं बोले ना, आप लोग को confusion हो रहा है ना. So we put comma. 5 comma minus 3 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now we move on to the fifth one. Fifth one now. Now try to do it. You also try to do it. Do not worry, even though it is having fractions in it. You know the method, then you will be able to do. The method should be known to you. The method is known, then no problem. So you take the first term and the last term and do the product and see what you are getting. So, fifth sum, 2x.
Which in this we will multiply by 2 only, the whole equation.
Okay, no problem. Or you can directly go for this. So, choice is yours. The way you want, you can do it. Okay. So, I'll use the half only and do it so that those who don't get a strike that you can multiply throughout by 2, they can also do it. So I will be doing it. What is the thing? You have to multiply this and this. Right? So what is 2 into 1 upon 2? 1. So you are going to factorize 1. We 1 के factor क्या होता है? 1 1 से 1 ही बैठता हो तो कोई हो ही नहीं सकता. Right? So 2x square minus 2 का कैसे होगा? -1 -1. तो -1 इंटू -1 इज +1 एंड दोनों का एडिशन -2 होगा, राइट. सो यू आर गोइंग टू फैक्टराइज 1 एज -1 इंटू -1 प्लस हाफ इक्वल टू 0. So once you take common from here x common, so what you are going to have 2x minus 1, and from here you take again half common you take, so 2 will come here, half into 2 will be 1 na. So 2x minus 1 equal to 0. See, why I have taken half common? So that I can get 2x here. 2x minus 1, 2x minus 1. Now both the brackets are same. So 2x minus 1 into x minus half equal to 0. So that means 2x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus half equal to 0. So that means 2x is equal to 1 or x is equal to half. That means x is equal to half, and also you have got x is equal to half only, na. So what is the roots you got? Half and half only, isn't it? So children, what you will write down here? 1/2 comma 1/2. Both are 1/2 only. So 1/2 comma 1/2 are the roots of given quadratic equation.
Miss,
Yes.
I have done like this. Can you see?
Huh?
Miss, I have done like this by this method. Can you see?
Beta, I am sharing my screen. I won't be able to see. I will see later on.
Okay.
Huh? I'll see definitely. Just 2 minutes before the period gets over, I will be seeing it. Sixth question. 6x minus 2 upon x is equal to 1. Now children, upon में x तो हो ही नहीं सकता. हम लोग को डिग्री क्या चाहिए? 2 चाहिए ना. तो यहाँ पे भी 2 नहीं है. डिग्री 1 क्वाड्रेटिक
Multiply throughout by x.
So what we have to do, compulsory यहाँ से आपको x से मल्टीप्लाई करना ही पड़ेगा. And how it strikes to you? Because the power is not 2, degree is not 2, so multiply throughout by x. So x into 6x minus x into 2 upon x, x into 1, सबको x से मल्टीप्लाई किया थ्रूआउट. सो x इंटू 6x इज 6x स्क्वायर. ये x और x ये गया. सो -2 इज इक्वल टू x इंटू 1 इज x. दिस इज नॉट इन आवर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. सो देयरफॉर 6x स्क्वायर, अभी x का टर्म आएगा. सो -x -2 इक्वल टू 0. नाउ दिस इज इन द स्टैंडर्ड notation. So what is 6 into -2? -12. So -12 you are going to factorize in such a way. अभी -12 है, देखो. Product will be negative when one is positive, one is negative. What is the sign of greater number? The sign of the middle term is minus. So greater will be minus, then smaller will be plus. और दोनों opposite है तो difference आना चाहिए. तो दो नंबर्स का डिफरेंस तुम्हारा 12 आना चाहिए, सॉरी 1 आना चाहिए और प्रोडक्ट 12 आना चाहिए. सो हाउ इट इज? फैक्टराइज 12. 2 6 2 3 3 1. सो 4 3 12. 4 में से 3 गया तो 1.
Let's little bit screen this way. Keep.
So we have to factorize 12 as 4 3s are, and I have to take 4 minus sign and 3 plus sign. So 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So now first two terms, just observe what you can take common. x तो आएगा ही, नंबर 6 और 4 है, so I can take 2 कॉमन. हाँ 2 ले सकती हूँ. 2 को किससे साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 6 आएगा. I have to multiply by 3 and the x square. So with x I have to multiply with x to get x square. Now what I want 4x. 4x में से 2 यहाँ पे है 2x. So 2x multiply by 2 give you 4x. Right? So I got here 3x minus 2. और यहाँ पे तो 3x minus 2 है ही. So I can take just one common. Right? So now 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So product of these two is 0. That means 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore 3x is equal to 2 or 2x is equal to minus 1. So therefore x is equal to 2 upon 3 or x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So what you got the answer of the roots? 2 upon 3 and minus half. So write the answer. Answer 2 upon 3 comma minus 1 upon 2 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Please write down completely quadratic equation. Now seventh sum is in the form of activity. So as children, whenever the things are there, you have to fill up the boxes, you have to draw the boxes, otherwise the marks are deducted. So seventh question they are just given us because it contains the square root parts. Need not worry, ये उल्टा ज़्यादा easy होगा. जो दिखता डिफिकल्ट है ना वो एक्चुअली ईजी होता है. सो रूट 2 एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 7x प्लस 5 रूट 2 इक्वल टू 0. This is the question. Now we have to solve it. What is the product? Root 2 into 5 root 2. Root 2 into 5 root 2, how much it will be? 5 into 2 मतलब 10 है ना. रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 2 हो गए तो 5 to 10. तो 10 को फैक्टराइज करने का है और प्लस आए तो दोनों भी प्लस ही आएंगे. तो 5 2 आ जाएगा ना. 5 2 10 है ना. 5 plus 2 7 हो गया. राइट. सो हिंट इज गिवन टू यू. नाउ व्हाट विल बी देयर इन द बॉक्स? कम ऑन नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी.
Plus 5x plus 2x.
Very good, correct. So I can write down as 5x and here 2x. Correct? So now if we'll take x common, what will be left with? यहाँ पे एक रूट 2 आएगा और एक x आएगा. राइट. और यहाँ पे 5 भी आएगा क्योंकि x ही बाहर निकला है ना. सो रूट 2x to fly. Now what is there given common? See this is given in the dots. So write down here dots. Plus now you take root 2 common. So root 2 into root 2 is 2 और x. और यहाँ पे से रूट 2 बाहर आ गया तो अंदर क्या रहा? 5. Right, and you can observe both of these brackets came out to be same. So I can take this common. Root 2x plus 5 I have taken common, that also in the dots, and you are having x plus root 2 equal to 0. सो उसका मतलब क्या हुआ, आइदर दिस इक्वल टू 0 और दिस इक्वल टू 0. सो √2x + 5 इक्वल टू 0 और x + √2 इज इक्वल टू 0. So that means √2x is equal to -5. So what is x is equal to 5 upon √2 or x is equal to -√2. So therefore -5 upon √2 and -√2 are the roots of the equation. Now children, here they have used the word and. Okay, because there are two roots, so one and the other. So no problem whenever, if at all you are using the word and. Now we'll go further. I hope you have completed this. 8th question, this star marks, so maybe little difficult.
Means this question will ask in exam.
हाँ, तो anything can come in exam. जो भी टेक्स्ट बुक में कुछ भी आ सकता है. Found it difficult, बेटा?
No, miss.
8th question. 3x² minus 2 √6 plus 2 equal to 0. What is the method? First and last term का product. हाँ? What is it? 3 2s are 6. Right? Now product is positive. मतलब the either both should be negative or both should be positive. What is the sign given here?
Both will be minus.
So definitely both will be negative sign. तो दो चीज का एडिशन 2 √6 आना चाहिए और प्रोडक्ट 6 आना चाहिए.
6 and √6.
Yes. So you can have, see 2 √6 का how we can get √6 and √6 only, and √6 into √6 will be 6. So actually the sum is very easy, even though it seems to be difficult, but it is not difficult. 6 I have written as √6 into √6. बस that's it. और दोनों का सम ये हो जाएगा. So how you will have 3x² minus √6. यहाँ पे x है क्या, मैं भूल गई लिखने को. हाँ, so √6x minus √6x plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore now I can take common. See, x
Please
will
take √3x as common.
Yes, we'll take this √6. I can write down 3 2s. Now how that strike comes, because here you have 3 ना, तो 3 को मैं वापस √3 into √3 लिख सकती हूँ. So वह वैसे स्ट्राइक होता है इमीडिएटली. फर्स्ट तक तो आपको ऐसे ही सूझेगा. देन आफ्टर यू कैन राइट डाउन एज √3 into √3x². If you don't write this step, it's okay. Minus यहाँ पे √3 into √2 ये वाला, और ये भी √3 into √2. हाँ, यहाँ पे x रह गया, नहीं वो तो एक ही बार आएगा. एंड देन plus 2 equal to 0. So √3 into x will come common. तो √3 into √3 will be 3. x² है तो एक बार x आ गया तो एक बार x रहेगा. राइट, अभी यहाँ पे √3 और √6 तो √3x आ गया. तो what will be left inside? √2 only. This x and this √3 is common ना, तो √2 remains. Now from here minus sign came common, root 2 will come common, so you will be left with root 3x. ये root 2 चला जाएगा तो root 3x आया और फिर minus root 2 into root 2 is 2, so that is equal to 0. So therefore root 3 into x minus root 2 into root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. So root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0 or root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. Both are same na. So what you will have? Root 3x is equal to root 2 or root 3x is equal to root 2. So x will be root 2 upon root 3 और x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. अभी इसको लिखना है तो हम लोग एक डायरेक्टली root 2 upon 3 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं ना, बिकॉज बोथ आर हैविंग रूट का साइन. So that is possible. So what are the roots you got? Square root of 2 upon 3 and square root of 2 upon 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So you can write down.
Miss, if we skip second step, then
Yeah, it's okay. So
okay, miss.
root 2 up, square root of, when you write down, write properly, yeah, बड़ा वाला square root करा अच्छी तरह से, so that numerator and denominator both are included, comma square root of 2 upon 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Write completely quadratic equation.
Miss, if we don't write the whole root 2 upon 3, then it's okay or what?
No, you have to write down na. If you stop here, that's fine. That's fine, no problem. Root 2 upon root 3 लिखो या square root of 2 upon 3 लिखो. Okay, either of this will be do it. It's okay, but you write down properly. दो बार लिखना है because they are always quadratic equation has two roots. So don't just write down one time 2 root square root of 2 upon 3. That has to be written 2 times. Now we'll move on to the 9th question. M bracket m minus 24 equal to 50. Children, this is not in a standard form as we wanted, so we need to make it. So open the bracket, 2m into m is 2m square minus 2 into 24 is 48 m. I will take this minus also this side directly, so minus 50 equal to 0. अभी मुझे स्ट्राइक हुआ कि मैं 2 कॉमन ले सकती
Miss, we can divide this equation by
Yes.
2.
यहाँ पे से भी डायरेक्ट कर सकती, लेकिन स्ट्राइक नहीं हुआ मुझे, ये दिखने के बाद में हुआ. तो जब भी स्ट्राइक हुआ इट्स ओके, यू कैन डू इट. सो यू कैन टेक 2 कॉमन, सो m स्क्वायर माइनस 24m माइनस 25 इक्वल टू 0. Therefore m square minus 24m minus 25 equal to 0. चलो यहाँ पे अगर स्ट्राइक हो जाएगा तो डायरेक्टली आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो, m इंटू m माइनस 24 इज इक्वल टू 50 अपॉन 2. तो m इंटू m माइनस 24 इज इक्वल टू 25 और फिर ये ओपन कर दोगे ब्रैकेट तो भी यही आएगा. सो चॉइस इज गिवन टू यू द वे यू वांट. मेरे को जब स्ट्राइक हुआ मैंने किया, so ultimately you will get it. Now you have to factorize 25 and you have to get 24. So 25 ones are 25 और 25 में से एक गया तो 24.
Miss, you can divide throughout by 2 now.
That is done now. So 25 product is negative. So you have one negative, one positive. बीच का साइन माइनस है तो मतलब बड़े का साइन माइनस आएगा. So it will be minus 25 plus 1. So I can write down 24 as minus 25m plus 1m. Now you can take the things common. So m into m minus 25 plus 1 in the bracket m minus 25 equal to 0. So m minus 25 into m plus 1 equal to 0. So that means what? M minus 25 equal to 0 or m plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore m is equal to 25 or m is equal to minus 1. So 25 comma minus 1 are the roots of given quadratic equation.
Miss, your screen is became blur.
Now let us go towards the 10th question. Tenth, 11th and 12th all are having just two terms. So they will go in a similar lines. So let's do that. You have 25m square is equal to 9. So what does it mean? 25m square minus 9 equal to 0. Now children, as soon as
We will apply a
25
square minus b square.
25 is a square of 5 and 9 is a square of 3. So both are the square terms. So I can write down 25 as 5m the whole square 25m square और इसको 3 को 9 को मैं 3 का स्क्वायर लिखूंगी. So now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So what are the factors? A minus b and a plus b. So I can find out the factors. So as there were two terms, this strike to me. Now is it in the form of a square minus b square? And they were there. So I can have 5m minus 3 and 5m plus 3 equal to 0. So product of these two is 0. What does it mean? 5m minus 3 equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 equal to 0. So that means 5m is equal to 3 or 5m is equal to minus 3. That means m is equal to 3 upon 5 or m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. So you can write down that 3 upon 5 comma minus 3 upon 5 are the roots of given quadratic equations. So in fact, if you have two terms, it becomes more easy. Now let's go towards the 11th sum. Seven m square is equal to 21m. So first of all, so I will take it on the left hand side. 7m square minus 21m equal to 0. हम लोग कैसे करते हैं, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लेके आने की कोशिश करते हैं ना. सो वी हैव टेकन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. नाउ चिल्ड्रन ऑब्जर्व दिस, ये दो ही टर्म है. अभी यहाँ पे 21 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, 7 भी किसी का स्क्वायर नहीं आता है. बट आई कैन सी दैट 7 and 21 दे आर मल्टीपल ऑफ 7. तो मैं अगर इन दोनों में से 7 कॉमन निकालती हूँ और एक m भी कॉमन निकल जाएगा. So what you will be left with inside m minus 3. Now see, these are the two terms whose product is 0. So what does it mean? Either 7m equal to 0 or m minus 3 equal to 0. So yes, it is more easy. So therefore 7m equal to 0 or m minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore m is equal to 0 upon 7. What is 0 upon 7? 0. Or m equal to 3. So what you will have? 0, 3 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Right? So now finally we are towards the last sum, which is m square minus 11 equal to 0. So first we will try to write down your standard form and then we will see. अभी यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ कॉमन भी नहीं आ रहा है और किसी का वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. You have m square minus 11 equal to 0. Right? Only two terms are there. मिडल टर्म है नहीं कि जिसको मैं स्प्लिट करूँ. तो क्या करूँगा? ओनली आई हैव ऑप्शन इज a square minus b square. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई राइट डाउन 11 एज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 11 का स्क्वायर. और क्या, कुछ है ही नहीं चाह रहा. सो दिस इज द ओनली पॉसिबिलिटी आई कैन डू इट. नाउ आई कैन यूज द फॉर्मूला a square minus b square is a minus b a plus b. So that means what? M minus root 11 equal to 0 or m plus root 11 equal to 0. So m is equal to 0 plus root 11 or m is equal to 0 minus root 11. So m is equal to root 11 or m is equal to minus root 11. So what you will have as a solution? Minus root 11 comma minus root 11 are the roots of given quadratic equation.